Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, So we did our hair. I really wanted to see how my kinky straight unit that I made, of course myself, would look with some curls. And honestly, I'm about to keep these curls forever because this is giving body yaddy 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 yaddy. Okay. Anyway, so if you want to see how I did these beautiful, thick and luscious wand curls, make sure that you continue to watch. If you're new here, my name is Reese LaFleur, like I said, and this is a baddie of all trades type of vibe. So we do hair, makeup, fashion, nails, all of that good stuff. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and then make sure that you kiss that like button and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and share this video with your friends. Let's get right into the tutorial, you guys. It's gonna be quick, but it's gonna be fire. Okay? Period. Hey guys, so we're gonna get right into it. I actually just washed this wig yesterday. I let it air dry. I did blow it out a little bit, but not too much because I knew I was gonna put the curls in. So when you're doing these curls, all you really need, I did put heat protectant before I even got on camera, but all you really need is heat protectant and a wand. I believe this wand size is 1/2 inch. Do not quote me though. So all I'm doing is I'm taking my wig brush and I'm just brushing out each section that I section off and just wrapping the wand, the hair around the wand, and I'm doing it underneath. And once you pull out that hair, that wand, you're just going to hold the hair until it curls, and then you see that curl drops down. It's pretty repetitive. You just want to do this over and over. It's super tedious, but the trick to getting this to where it's perfect and it looks nice and luscious is to try to get the same size for each curl. That way it looks nice and uniformed, and then when you do comb it out, or you can leave it the way it is, it looks really, really pretty. Like that pattern is the same. As you can see, like when I just showed you the hair, it looks the same, like the same pattern. So even though it's on the right side here, I always just do this pattern the same way so that it looks a certain way once I comb it out. So that's just a little tip to remember when you're doing your curls. So these are how the first 3 curls look. And like I said, it's very repetitive. You just do this over and over and section it off little by little, and you're just gonna curl that hair. And when I'm curling, I'm actually twisting the hair in my hand around the wand, and that's how you get the best curl. And then you just hold that for a few seconds and then just bring it down. You're gonna see me do that again. Just gonna brush that out, grab that wand, wrap it around and twirl it at the same time. Just hold it, I just hold it to my head, and then when I'm ready to pull it off, I grab it. And that one I dropped a little too early, so it kind of, you know, was a little loose, but that's okay. So again, we just wrap that around and we hold it. We're holding it for maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Then we hold it there and then we pull it down. And that's how that works. So this is how I really honestly do my beautiful luscious wand curls. It's super easy. It's just you do it over and over. That's really the video. That's it. You just do it over and over, but that's kind of what it is when it comes to hair. You just keep repeating it, especially if you want pretty curls. So these curls are dropping out and I'm starting to feel them, okay? I'm loving them. Even before I combed them out, they were so pretty. Hey, feeling it. Okay, so now I went ahead and I finished most of the curls off camera because I didn't want you to just watch me just do the same thing over and over. But now we're going to the front, and the front is important based on how you want the hair to lay. I decided that I did want a deep side part because I wanted to give off a lot of body on one side. I wanted to be really heavy. So I'm just adding in the curls, and this part is crucial because you want to make sure that the curls on this part are all the same size, same as when you're doing it all around the wig or the unit or your hair or wherever you're doing it. You want to make sure it's all even so that it looks really pretty once you style them. So I wanted it to look the same, and then once you're doing it to the side like this, those natural layers, if your wig is not all one length, those natural layers just comes out. But you can also add in layers if you wanted to, you know, add a little bit more volume to it or something. So here's the last curl. So after that last curl, we're just gonna start to make sure I'm, like, you know, parting it right. I like the way it looks. I'm gonna push back my little band, and I'm just gonna make sure the hair is whatever. So then we went ahead and did our makeup, and this is how we come back. I'm taking that clip out and taking the elastic band off, which just snapped off. I'm gonna do 2 little baby hairs just for the sake of the video. I really don't like baby hairs too much in my wigs. I try to do it very minimally because I just you know, I just don't I just don't like my whole forehead covered in hair. That's just me because I don't have a big forehead anyway. But yeah, so we're just doing that, and then I'm just going to tuck that behind my ear because I love this look when it comes to curls. And then we're gonna just grab a wide tooth comb and just start combing from the bottom of the curls all the way up. And as you can see, they just start to get really big and luscious. They're just so pretty, and this wig has beautiful shine, and that heat protectant helps with adding that shine to the hair. I didn't put any product besides heat protectant in this, so it's beautiful, it's shiny, and it's so thick, especially since this is on some kinky straight hair. So definitely love it, definitely feeling it. That's pretty much it, you guys. That's how I achieve these beautiful curls. I'm gonna wear these curls for the next few days because they are amazing, and I'm pretty sure they'll hold for a few days as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.